lumpy cheesecake. Nobody wants it. Anytime lumps come into play with food, you can count me out. So I'm going to reveal to you the true secret to a silky smooth, lump-free cheesecake. You need to work with room temperature ingredients for most recipes so that the saturated fats in the recipes become pliable, which means smoother, instead of working with cold ingredients. Cold, saturated fat means lumps. Now, normally, most chefs and recipes will tell you with cheesecake, you have to scrape the bowl. But with this trick, you don't have to scrape nearly as much. In fact, you may not have to scrape at all. My secret, melt your cheese. Melt your cream cheese. Stick it in the microwave for 20 seconds, 30 seconds at a time, and melt it. If it's silky smooth once it comes out of the microwave, you can bet there will be no lumps at any point. The saturated fats, of course, become pliable, very, very near liquid. It becomes that consistency of when you smear cream cheese on a hot bagel, and you try to bite it, and it squirts out. It's a little fluffy, but mostly very, very smooth. When you add all of your ingredients to that, you will have a lump-free cheesecake.